guys, welcome back to Tuffyofasaddi. Today we are going to do a tutorial on my new coloring. Don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna call it dark outline coloring. So let's get started right now. I need to save my video. I'm gonna edit. So yeah, I'm just gonna show how I find a video to edit. But I already have my video, so yeah, I'm just showing you guys how to save the video and stuff. So yeah. What happened? Okay, there we go. And wait for it to export and then save. And that is exactly how I do my coloring, my new coloring. And then save video. Okay. That is how my video turned out. Yeah. The apps I used was Ultralight, photos, and pretty cool. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys stay Tuffyofasaddi. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my TikTok, Tuffyofasaddi. I love you guys so much. You guys will see definitely more videos from me. Bye, you guys. See you guys later or in the next video. Yeah.